Hi everyone! In this video, I'd like to answer a frequently asked question about sound system design, which is why do they usually fly a speaker or some speakers in the front of the stage? And this is true, you can find a lot of speakers hanging in the front of the stage for venues like house of worships, gymnasiums, concert halls, auditorium, and all that jazz. I'd like to answer it in a easy language. Let's talk about sound in general. Let's say if you're talking with someone outside. Now, sound, especially sound pressure level, drops with longer distance. For example, at 1 meter or 3 feet away, then probably it's easy for you to talk to someone. However, if that person goes to 10 meter away or 30 feet away, then there are possibility you need to raise your voice. So let's recap that concept very quick. A talker is trying to scream to 3 listeners at different distances. The closest one probably hear him loud and clear, or probably even too loud because he is screaming. The medium distance probably hear him just okay. But the farthest listener, there is a possibility that he still doesn't understand what's being spoken just because it's very soft by that point. The talker probably needs to raise the voice to make sure the farthest listener can hear. So let's say the talker keeps screaming and add a little bit of horn shape with the hand to increase the output of his voice. Yes, by using or cupping your hand, it can increase the voice from our mouth. For example, here I am talking to the loudspeaker with the hand and without the hand, and you can see with the hand it's much louder. So yes, you are increasing the SPL or sound pressure level, and the farthest listener may be able to hear you. The medium distance may still hear you okay. But remember, the one that's close to you probably listen to your voice way too loud. So this example, raising the output capability is the same with finding a loudspeaker with more maximum outputs in the specification sheet. However, it's the placement that defines how evenly the sound will be distributed through the listener. So in this case, because we have a close distance and a far distance, the difference of the distance are quite high. If we raise the loudspeaker, then the difference between the loudspeaker to the farthest listener and the loudspeaker to the closest listener are not too extreme. Therefore, the distribution is more even. So hopefully this video gives you a little clue why a loudspeaker is usually flown in the front of a stage.